What is the coronavirus? The coronavirus is an RNA virus that causes a respiratory illness that led to the ongoing 2019-20 coronavirus pandemic, also known as COVID-19. These viruses enter our bodies using key-like structures protruding from them and use our cells to replicate their RNA and make more viruses. How can you stay safe and prevent the spread of the virus? In the comfort of your own home, you are already practicing social distancing to prevent the spread of the virus. There are many more things you can do after we learn a few facts. Since COVID-19 is so contagious, some people who don't have symptoms may actually spread the virus. In order to prevent this, wear a face mask when you are in the public and cover your sneezes and coughs. Stay at least 6 feet away from others, avoid touching your face, and wash your hands with soap often. How can biomedical science help fight the coronavirus? If we have the virus, biomedical scientists help us actively fight it. Biomedical science combines biology and medicine to solve health problems for animals and humans. These scientists can fight the coronavirus by making vaccines that help us produce antibodies that will fight off the virus. They can also produce antiviral medicines that suppress the reproduction and invasion of viruses. How are animal models aiding the coronavirus research? Animal models can be used to test for where the virus originated from, which could help find ways to contain the virus. They can also be used to test drugs and vaccines for the coronavirus. For example, scientists can quickly test whether antiviral medicine and vaccines are effective and safe for humans to use. Why is it important to develop a coronavirus vaccine? What is a vaccine anyway? A vaccine is a substance that is used to stimulate immune responses in the body. It can be a weak, dead, or part of a virus. Antibodies may be produced to help fight germs. It is important to develop a coronavirus vaccine because otherwise we would have to be in quarantine forever with no cure. We wouldn't be able to go back to school and many people would get sick and die. What are some biomedical science careers that would be involved in fighting the coronavirus? Epidemiologists fight the coronavirus by studying the distribution and rate of occurrence of COVID-19 in the populations of humans. They develop ways to monitor and control outbreaks, as well as work with public health organizations to help prevent them. Virologists also help fight the coronavirus. They study how the viruses infect living organisms and reproduce themselves. They identify where the drugs should be targeted to and find cures. One more biomedical science career that helps fight the coronavirus is being a biomedical engineer. These scientists invent things such as personal protective equipment for healthcare workers. To overcome the coronavirus, we have to work together as a team, with everyone doing their part in the battle. We, humanity, are a team.